Sam Rundwl, y gig gornel tuag at y postyn pella, penniad lawr tuag at Kai Edwards, a dyma Pearson ar cynnig. Oedd hi'n rhy agos at y golwr Will Fuller. Oedd Pearson ddim gafal iawn â ni. Dyma Emlyn Lewis. Y bêl etraws yn chwilio am Adam Roscrow. Baio ar penniad. Roscrow. Cymryd y tafliad yn sydyn, Will Evans yno, nôl tuag at y blaenwr, Adam Roscrow. Roscrow yn dangos i gryfder, yr ergyd a'r gwiriad oddi ar Michael Pearson. Heibio i frawd, Sean Pearson yn y gôl. A mae'r Met ar y blaen wedi 8 munud. Gôl Roscrow fydd hi. Eiliadau wedi Pearson gael cyfle un pen y cae. Mae'n gwiro'r bêl i'r gôl arall. Dŵl tuag at y postyn pella unwaith eto, mae'n mynd. O'r penniad gan Rhys a bron iddi sleifio fewn i'w rwyd ei hun. Gwaith da gan y golwr Will Fuller. Lewis. Roscrow yn glyfar yn dwy'n y bêl. Mae gan fo gymorth gan Neil, allai ddod o hyd i Neil. Matt Neil i ddyblu'r fantais, Pearson yn arbed. Wel, mi ddyle Matt Neil fod wedi dyblu'r fantais i'r myfyrwyr. Ond Pearson yn dal i dir. Rhys ar Gynghrair. Will Evans, penniad deallus gan Will Evans. Oedd yn gwybod fod McCarthy yn rhydd ar y chwith. McCarthy ar croesiad. Thomas yn clirio. Montag at Will Evans! Sy'n sgorio'r ail i'r myfyrwyr. 65 munud wedi chwarae. Chweched gôl y tymor i Will Evans. Cliriad sâl gan Thomas. A'r ergyd nerthol isel gan Evans yn curo'r golwr. Steve Thomas. Bwlch di agor i Thomas a Mark Connolly sy'n o. Connolly yn gry. Connolly ar ergyd! Hyfryd i'r gornel ucha gan Mark Connolly. Ac mae'n rhedeg i fewn i'r dorf i ddathlu. Mae Mark Connolly wedi disgwyl spel am honna i ganfed gôl yn Uwch Gynghrair Cymru. Ac am gôl oedd hi. Ac mae'n mwynhau'r achlysur gyda'i deulu. Llongarchadau Mark Connolly sy'n ymuno ar clwb cant.
Congratulations, 100 of Welsh Premier League goals. What a way to get it as well, you must be delighted.
Out of the moon. Today I've brought the family down for obviously it's last Saturday game of the season. I want them to be there as much as they can. You know, I'm not getting any younger, so I've got a few things to think about over the summer, but as soon as I left my foot, I knew it was going. I didn't even look if it went in, I just run to the family like, so absolutely made up to join the 100 club.
The result puts you in the driving seat now going into next week, which is an enormous game against Aberystwyth.
Yeah, it's huge. It's a very big game. You know, Aberystwyth dropping points last night was favourable for ourselves, but it's the old adage: take each game as it comes, and that's certainly what we did today. Didn't think about Aberystwyth for next week. We thought about today in Llandudno, and as I say, professional performers can't ask much more of the boys. I think that's our 56th game of the season today, including the cup runs and our Bucks tournament. So it's been a long shift. So we'll work hard next week in training to execute against a very good Aberystwyth side that have momentum. So we look forward to it though.
Mae Aberystwyth wedi gwneud dda iawn am y cwbl wythnosau diwetha. Mae rhaid i ennill. Does dim pwynt i ni ddim mynd i'r gêm a dim ond cael pwynt. Os ydyn ni ennill yn Ewrop, so ennill fe nefn ni gobeithio.
We don't want to finish bottom. Just as a sense of pride that you know you don't want to be the one finishing bottom, and you know if we can get a positive result against Llanelli next week, that will guarantee it, because I think we're 3 points away from them, but we've got a much better goal difference, so a good result. And if we play like that, I think we'll be all right.